So today I'm gonna go to overnight camping with my friend. So come along with us today. We're gonna stop by Walmart to get some grocery items that we forget to get. So yeah. Are you excited?
Yes, I am. I'm so excited.
It's gonna be her first time.
Yeah, it's my first camping, so I'm really excited. Looking forward to it. And we just got done.
Well, we're gonna go now. We're ready. Rim is over there, Martha, and then the rest are over there. So, see you.
Counter's over there, man.
We arrived here.
Just remind you, TikTok. Subscribe my channel. Hey guys, help me.
It's overnight, but
Look at it.
we're well.
You guys go this side.
Why are we so close to the fire? Everyone's trying to get burned today. Look at this.
The camera, dude, like the camera.
Yeah, because it's dirty. We've got to make it aesthetic.
And after this, we're gonna make hot dogs and so we can start the gator. Be careful, Linda. Oh, really?
Amen.
We're done with dinner, so I'm gonna go to the restroom. Look at the light, so cute. It's really dark, so
Yeah, at least you got a good one. Nice ranking, right? Bro.
We're inside our tent. It's cold. We're getting ready to sleep.
Scratch it. They call us. You always, yeah, I feel like I do that.
Good night, guys. It's around 12. We're getting ready to eat food, breakfast. That's leftover. We're cleaning up right now. Look at that. They're so fancy. They got thick blanket. Nothing blanket, thick bed. Pia pia.
This is Alunga.
And that's the restroom.
Who won this? This looks so crispy.
You guys like your breakfast? It's good.
Marta, atum man breakfast.
It's very good.
Period. Shower, getting ready. We're gonna go back to our campsite. Yep. This is so beautiful. Let me show you guys the view, okay? Alright. Wow, guys, look at
Maybe I saw it.
hello. Look at that view.
Right now we are at the Brown County Watchout Tower. We're going to take some pictures there. Thank you for watching. See you there. Let's go.
Miss what? What is it? A bird box.
Oh my god.
Hey. We're gonna.
No. I was look right here. Yeah. We're here. This beautiful.
Do you want to say hi?
So we are done taking pictures in the watchout towers. Now we're gonna go 30-minute drive.
60-minute drive.
60-minute drive to Nashville to take some more pictures. We'll see you there. Bye. Oh god. We're gonna rate the one.
Yeah, I think it's that one.
We're gonna get hot chocolate because it's kind of like cold. So okay, we got this. Everyone got like hot chocolate and some food. So I think it's gonna get dark soon. So I think we should just go home because our parents they call us. They don't be home late. So.
Slim.
Hi guys, we're currently at a Nashville general store and bakery. Some of our friends are inside. They're ordering some bakeries. We're not hungry for bread, so we're just gonna have our hot chocolate and sit outside. Yeah, enjoy this view. There's a black pig in front of us.
Okay, I think they got their food.
I'm eating a bacon croissant.
She enjoyed it.
Yes, it's so good.
We're gonna go back since it's like dark outside, so it's very productive day. Is that a dog?
Oh yeah, they are like a small little statues and stuff.
Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and comment.
Okay.